Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing very well and preparing very hard for your examination. So dear student, in this lecture series, we are going to discuss multiple choice questions based on artificial intelligence. All those are very important questions because they have been asked by the CBSE in previous year board examinations. So you have, if you see these videos, definitely they are going to help in your preparation. Let us move ahead with the questions itself. So this is our first question: which of the following is incorrect about narrow AI? So this is a starting stage of AI is called what? Narrow AI. And the most advanced AI is called what? Deep AI. Let us see the options. These are the four options available. Narrow AI refers to the computer program that are specifically designed to do a single task. Okay, narrow AI can deliver efficiency through smart automation and integration. Narrow AI employs supervised and labeled learning methods. Narrow AI is capable of doing any intellectual work that a human being can do. So this option is incorrect because even though DPI is not able to do all the intellectual work that human can do, how narrow AI it is possible to do all the works? Remaining all three are correct for the narrow AI. Let us go for the next question. Choose the incorrect working of AI life cycle. So there you have four options: 4W canvas, who, what, where, and why. Who is the stakeholder? Okay, or what is the nature of the problem? Where the context and location? Why it is worth solving? So this is correct matching. Next one is data exploration. We will access the data and clean the data. That is also fine inside the data exploration, so that our data can fit to the model on which we can work. Modeling phase of AI life cycle, we do not test the model. We test the model in evaluation phase. So this is incorrect. Okay, data acquisition, problem statement. Okay, fine. This is also correct mapping. Let us go for the question number 3. Ethics are loosely defined as a set of moral principles guiding actions of an individual or group to determine what is good or right. So this is a definition of the ethics. No issue with that. Identify which of the following is covered in AI ethics. So based on that definition, what is covered under AI ethics? Bias is covered, explainability is covered, accountability is covered. Emotional intelligence is an odd one, so that is not covered under that. So let us see the options. So for that, A, B, and D are correct. So fourth option is correct, but emotional intelligence is not covered. There are different type of intelligence like musical intelligence, emotional intelligence, or you can say logical or mathematical intelligence, spatial intelligence, okay, kinesthetic intelligence, linguistic intelligence. So these has nothing to do with the AI ethics. Let us go for the question number 4. A large number of input feature can result in poor performance for machine learning algorithm. Okay, which of the following helps in reducing the number of input features? So there are four options available: supervised learning, decision tree, classification, and dimensionality reduction. As the name suggests, dimensionality reduction helps in reducing the input feature so that we can uh, deal with the problem normally, because as the number of input feature increases, the complexity of the problem is also increases. Let us go for the question number 5. NLP technique attempts to extract subjective qualities from the text is known as. Subjective qualities are those qualities which are not outrightly written in the words. That is comes under sentiment analysis. So by reading text only, you can come to know the text is written in which particular situation, like text is provocative or sexually explicit, or you can say text is like offensive. So all these type of things are not written explicitly in the text, but by reading it you can understand. This process of extracting such qualities from the text is called what? Sentiment analysis, and it is a part of NLP, natural language processing. Karthik is a 8th grade. He loves books, pictures. He enjoys taking pictures, painting, sketching. Okay, he has the ability to see outside the world clearly in his mind and then recreate those pictures in the painting books exactly they appear. He wishes to pursue a career as a painter. What type of intelligence does he have? Reasoning and logical intelligence? No. Linguistic intelligence? No. Naturalistic intelligence or spatial visual intelligence? So here we need to say naturalistic intelligence he is having, because he is uh, going to be a painter, and whatever he sees outside in, and he is able to create that same thing in the painting. So naturalistic intelligence will be the correct. I hope no, spatial and visual intelligence will be correct option for that. Why? Because visual intelligence will give the idea of pictures, and in 3D space, he or see Karthik can assume the picture. So I hope the spatial and visual intelligence is the more suitable option for that. Let us go for the question number 7. Which one of the following is not based on artificial intelligence? Script bots, smart bots, hybrid bots, all of these. The correct answer is what? Hybrid bots are not based on artificial intelligence. Let us go for the next question. The process of dividing text into smaller, simpler component to reduce the variety of in the words form to a common form when the variation means the same thing. So this is called what? Text normalization. It is a prerequisite before applying bag of words algorithm. Okay, so you will normalize the text. In that process you are going to change the case of all the text segmentation is done, lemmatization and stemming is done. So in that is the process of text normalization to reduce the variation inside the text without losing its meaning. Let us go for the next question. A pie chart is divided into segments to represent the value of different size, correct? Okay, because pie chart is something like this whole circle is divided in multiple parts in different segment to represent the value of different size. Pie chart is very effective when we have so many data series. No, it is not effective when you have so many data series. If you have few amount of segmentation, then only pie chart will work fine. So assertion is correct but reason is false. So A is true but R is false. This second option is correct. Choose the correct option out of the following. Classification helps in predicting temperature, salary, price and profit. You can see temperature, salary and price, profit, all are continuous data. Okay, salary, price and profit, temperature, everything is continuous. Classification will not work with continuous data. It works with the discrete data where different classes of data can be created easily. Clustering works with the continuous data. Clustering helps in predicting yes or no. So this is a situation where classification will work fine, like yes, no, 0, 1, spam or not spam. So this is also wrong, not correct. Regression helps in predicting recommendation system, search engine diseases. Regression helps in predicting the continuous data type. It is not going to uh, predict like a recommendation system or search engine or diseases. Classification helps in predicting black and white. There you have the different classes as it is infected or not infected. So the correct option is what? Classification helps in predicting black or white, infected or not infected. Let us go for the next question. Ask Disha is an inquiry based chatbot in IRCTC website that instantly replies to live queries from the user related to the questions like cancellation of e-ticket, check refund, okay, check availability, Tatkal timing, etc. This chatbot uses what? NLP, natural language processing. So all the chatbots, script bots uses what? NLP. All the virtual assistant also use NLP, natural language processing. With more and more data, an algorithm becomes better and more accurate. Okay, this is first statement. We can choose from various techniques such as regression, classification, clustering, okay, deepening on the data set, depending on the data set. Fine, this is a second statement. Algorithms are mainly used in the pattern recognition, which help in deriving meaningful insight and describe the data better to the user. The above points are regarding algorithms. Which stage AI project cycle requires the algorithm? So we know that there is a stage called modeling, in which we create the model. So this is the correct answer for question number 12, and model is another name for the algorithm or to the solution of our AI problem. Let us go for the next question. It is an application which offers appropriate result on the basis of same search behavior or user intention. So people will find what they need. It not only supports voice enabled queries but also offers real time autocomplete suggestion based on factors such as browsing history, intention commonly associated with the words used, and best ranked content from the comparable searches. Which of the following application you can relate to it? You have all have used Google search engine, so I hope the correct answer will be the search engine for that, for the question number 13, because that is going to uh, fit in this situation defined in this question very well. Go for the question number 14. A teacher instruct the student to draw the color 5 geometric objects in different colors. These sheets provided by the children are then put into the AI machine. Then it then stores, which then stored based on similar shape and colors. Okay, the model is able to predict if the image is red circle, a green rectangle, or white square, etc. This is an example of unsupervised learning. This is an example of unsupervised learning. How come we know that? Because we are not providing a labeled data. By seeing the color and shape, system uh, put things together. AI machine, the model is able to predict the image is red circle or green circle. If you read it, the seat provided by the children are then put into the AI machine, which is then sorted based on the similar shape and colors. Okay, so there is no specific labels, okay, uh, given to the machine or data. By seeing the data itself, machine tries to learn or sort. So that is called what? Unsupervised learning. Because in supervised learning, already we have to give the labeled data set. Let us go for the question number 15. Which of the following statement is or are correct? Data collection helps in determining the nature of the problem. Okay, modeling is the process of implementing, are correct. Okay, modeling is a process of implementing AI enabled algorithm on a chosen model. Fine. Evaluation is the process of putting our model to test by using AI enabled algorithm to generate the accurate real time result. Fine. Data acquisition ensures that data obtained from many sources is accurate, dependable, and traceable. So these are the 4 options given. You have to select which one is correct. Okay, data collection helps in determining the nature of problem. I don't think this is correct. So okay, fine. Then modeling is a process of implementing AI based enabled algorithm based on chosen model. That is correct. Evaluation is a process of putting our model to test. That is also correct. Data acquisition ensures that the data obtained from many sources is accurate. Fourth one is also correct. The correct option is what? D here. Go for the question number 16th. A school uses AI based system to manage the learning process by delivering customized study material to assign appropriate subjects to the student. The system takes into consideration the factors such as gender, race, ongoing learning, economic levels, minority status, and previous educational institute. However, because it ignores the fundamental aspect of learning as an ongoing process based on an individual's ability and knowledge, the approach may lead to an student future prospect being hidden, because you cannot predict by seeing the previous features of anyone how good they are going to do in that particular field. In that scenario, what is the significance of this scenario? This is talking about algorithm bias. Okay, fine. So that's it for this video, guys. Okay, thank you very much for patient listening. Please do like, share, and subscribe this channel.